Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is another video about the Mesh Fill tool. If you click on the Mesh Fill, it's underneath your interactive fill tool. You get these dots. Well, if you select that center dot, you get more dots. And then you could actually select just like that many of them and put a blue. And that kind of did all the center ones, but you can change that at any time. Whoop, I backed up and erased it. You can put a little swirl to it, bring this one out. Well, easier said than done. Now you see the line, you can bring it out, give it a little swirl. And what is so cool about this, you only have to do that once. And then if you want to hold down the control button and make a perfect square, you could get the attribute eyedropper, take a sample of that and dump it into that spot, and you get the same effect, but you could still change it a little bit if you wanted to and make it completely different. I don't know, I don't get to play around with this very much because I'm a laser engraver, but if you, as long as you don't grab the outside handle, everything on the inside will change and not the outside. Pretty cool effect. But then if you wanted to copy that, we could take an ellipse, get the attribute eyedropper, take a sample and put it in there. It's always going to be kind of like a centerfied justified, but you can always grab your mesh fill tool and change the angle, put it way over here, the edge, as long as you don't go past the edge, it won't change the shape. Of course, that doesn't look very good because that little part right there is kind of overlapping, but just get your tool and just take it back. Pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.